Raymond and I are very grateful for this award. However, this honor really belongs to Regan financial leaders and producing advisors. I think we are very blessed to have a very empowered, hardworking leaders and a lot of consistent producers in Regan Financial. We have finally found a culture of collaboration and genuine teamwork. More importantly, everyone in the agency has the ownership of whatever the agency aspires for. This award, for a while, came as a surprise. Why? Because in our meetings, any gatherings, we never ever talk of capturing the top slot. We just worked and focused on its individuals, goals, and aspirations, all for the benefit of the entire team. We have fun while working on our respective responsibilities and projects. All my leaders move as one while doing individual tasks meant for the good of all. We celebrate even the smallest victories, and guess what, guys? We take lots of pictures. Even if there are only 2 people in the office, 2 or more, we take pictures, we post them in our chat box because we want everyone to come to the office to have fun, to work, and to just gather together. For us, showing up, just showing up is already well appreciated, and it makes us all happy as a group. Why so? It gives us energy and inspiration and lots of positive vibes to look for the next recruit or close the next client call. That's the Regan financial spirit. We do our work. We do it with a lot of purpose, passion, positivity, and that's also our idea of fun. This honor will not be complete without the support of our ASG partners, most especially our BDM, King Joshua, whom we love so much, our zone head, Vanessa, and all the Manila One leaders, all the agencies here. Guys, this honor belongs to you also. Manila One, win as one. Of course, our Chief Agency Officer, Vincent Chong, whom from day one, we already called him the Action Man. Thank you, sir, for all your support. And last but not the least, we also want to thank our beautiful CEO, Melita. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for your listening ears and your very understanding heart. We really appreciate all of this. Dear all, at the end of the day, this came also from God's grace. We acknowledge and honor Him as we give this all back to Him for His greater glory. Ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po. And I'd like you to know that Regan Financial is just starting to heat up. Watch us. Thank you.
And congratulations to our top award.